Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Yeah, by the
yeah, Andrew want a statutory declaration can't certified. Andrew want to take tax money go buy stocks and bonds, and this piece of drunker shit bag work nationwide. This shit in a plate want to sleep on the screen, and this thing come out to talk out and toilet mouth. And claims that them a journalist. These drunker shitbag within Jamaica, I miss the Jamaican people. Only should have lived in some place like down in Iraq. I don't have Gaza, so I don't have Gaza and them place I live. And come out and check them fuck here on them out. I say I should have don't have Gaza on live. I don't have Iraq, I don't have Palestine and them place there. And come out and check them and fuck here. I mislead the people them. I don't them should have there. I don't get sure they don't have Gaza, check them a fuck here. For mislead Jamaican people. I want for back the first gay prime minister. The first prime minister will collect how much money for run batty business in Jamaica, him and support. So that show your status. That show you who, you know. If you go back and look at shit in a plate prime minister, you collect how much money, 1.8 million. US to promote batty business and him your support. That show you take for your side, but the whole on down there shit in a plate. Whole on down nationwide, when there's a group of shit in a plate. When you hear this drunk shit bag I say.
To the people, the main actors, all of the actors in Traffic Europe.
Somebody shut the toilet door upon it.
I know the PNP tried to spin and twist and dodge and bob and weave. It failed. And the GLP squeezed down by what, 1 seat. Todos, the PNP had daylight between themselves and the GLP. So it seems as if the Wholeness Integrity Commission issue and the failure by the Commission to, well, when I say failure, the fact that the Commission has not certified wholeness statutory declarations and all of the contortions that have gone around that to make that into a scandal. Go for the head and the body will wilt. If you cut off the snake's head, the snake dies. So that's the PNP strategy so far.
Some this bumbuckler drunker shitbag, tribalist drunker. So the right thing we are dealing with. If we go off of the head of the stream dirty, no clean water can run. So we work on a nationwide have a problem with the Jamaican citizen want to hold Andrew Jones accountable. Why on the drunk and left Jamaica too? But me tell you, you know, only down a nationwide, me tell you, you know, I'm going to tell you again. It's the day when Mark Golden become the Prime Minister officially, you can't go move out from down at the radio station place when you don't listen, you know. You not get no more license, you have to lift up from down there, you know. You know, watch and see. Nationwide, watch and see. Wait till Mark Golden come in power. Nationwide, wait till Mark Golden come in power. You will never broadcast the Jamaican people again. We are going to make sure Mark Golden never issue a next license to come with the tribalist propaganda we want to do from all these time for Andrew Jones. But nationwide, if I the tax money you owe away, all of them come out so strong, a different corruption. You know, you still have to pay away with tax money, you know. Because when I tell you this blood clot, and Andrew when they say, oh, you know, and we, you owe not Andrew. So you can't tell them make Andrew blood clot, guess if you come mislead Jamaica and feel so we're going to forget about the tax money. You fuck, we're going to want it. So I just a shit in a plate now, come out. Go back in your toilet. Because nationwide is not a radio station, it's a toilet. One look outside, toilet. We hold on a group up in a. Hear this thing more, Janko.
The timing is wrong though. Because if the Integrity Commission statutory declarations
When you see a big man like she, having 2 ears ring, in this day and age, you see a big man like she having 2 knob in her ears, you don't have to ask Christ what a clock a strike there. A big man like this, having 2 ears ring in her ears, if you know what a clock a strike down there, look upon this shit in a plate.
are dropped now, which would have been a massive problem for the labor rights. They will tell you that they've seen off that new ball.
They seen off that new ball?
Washington Ambrose?
Alright. One for you sleep and mark that, you see? You see when they nearly to Alanda Turlang over Portmore, they nearly trim him over there. You see when you come to them? So these look shit in a plate MP. We are make Andrew is a guessing up. When you see if the people that want conk Alanda Turlang, nothing could stop him from get a conk in a pussy hole. When you see that? You know, saying lie down and sit down on the ground like one little bitch. Alanda Turlang. You know say? So you see if the people that really want conk, nothing can stop them from get conk. You know see how you behave with yourself. You better use sleep and mark that. What you see happen over Portmore to Alanda Turlang is just a little piece of the iceberg. You fuck up and you see. You just fuck up and you see. You do the right thing. Because we will not allow Andrew and the little gay politician them to discharge Jamaica. We will not allow Andrew and the little gay friend them to discharge Jamaica. So Andrew, if a foreigner get to look a gay habit from you, better bring it back there. If a foreigner get to look a gay style from you want to bring in a Jamaica, Andrew, you bring it back a foreign. Anyway you get the habit from Andrew, you want the habit to go back which way you get it from. So if you look at shit in a plate along the Turlang, things say over Portmore was a walkover. I'm sorry say they never spit in your face. I'm sorry say they never lick in your ass along the Turlang. I saw him reach there, but here this shit in a plate here, out down on nationwide. So basically, you can say for yourself that nationwide is not a radio station. Nationwide is not a radio station. It's just a bunch of shit in a plate. I work on behalf of shit in a plate Andrew Wellness. Cliff Hughes and the whole of them is a bunch of shit in a plate them. All of them are to work on nationwide. You have to be a shit in a plate to work on nationwide. Nationwide is a shit in a plate radio station. Where every Christmas them go play sword fight in a house. Shit in a plate radio station. So all of these drunkards that talk from now on nationwide, all of them are shit in a plate them. I don't know what people listen to this shit in a plate.
Have done their spell, if you can call that barrage at onus from the Integrity Commission and the non-certifying of his statutory declaration, which has been spun into all kinds of...
Tell Bumbleclad Andrew to come certified in forgetting things that he can certified. I don't know how you have 8 thief in a parliament. Andrew Wellness is the #1 thief. And you have puss-face Marlene Malaho still pursue this constitution thing and this republic thing. I don't know how Jamaican people sit back, you know, and have this thing, this thing for pass, you know. I want to hear me talk a real thing. There's no way this thing for continue when time the Jamaica Labour Party member them corrupted. 8 of them. I will find out about Andrew Wellness, and I know we can't hear what the next 7. And at these junker shitbag, I pursue over constitution and I have talk over Jamaica Republic. And the Jamaican people then sit down and feel that this is cool. It can never cool. There's no way enough to agree with a bunch of criminals to do such an important thing in Jamaica. It's not possible. Remember, Andrew Wellness come in with him gag claw. You know what we know them at all. and Jamaican people sit down and allow make these people force on things for them. But all under Turlang. Andrew use what happened to all under Turlang and just do the right thing. Because if you think say this one gonna be an easy one, like what you thinking in your head.
Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two one caring man. Make sure say my mark the X right there so because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that X yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that X yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that X yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see how that X yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves and I can get little salary to the people them. That X right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you work long hours and can't get no pay if you go off foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that X yeah? This is because that time they didn't take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that X yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where them try to run the country under. You see one there right there so? I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.